Jonosh over there crying. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Alkaline from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, we actually today I want to make this morning vlog. Leave it, boy. Leffy. Go. Yeah, family. So I just got back from the gym, and from the other day, Miss Jam Tour has been complaining that it's challenging to be raising two under two. 2 under 2. So Miss Jam Tour has been complaining about 2 under 2. So in the morning, family, I have to be making smoothies in the morning, and then Miss Jam Tour is cooking our sweet potato over there. So we have a porridge for Amish, and this is some rice. Where we get this rice from?
From where?
This rice actually grow in Kenya, family. If you guys never know, Kenya grow rice, and this rice is the Pishori rice, and it's have a nice aroma and a nice smell, family. I don't know if you guys know that Kenya rice actually grow in Kenya, but if you don't know, now you know, family. Now you know that those Chinese rice and those other rice from other country. You know what I mean? Kenya is such a prosperous place that if you guys don't know what you're doing, you miss out on this opportunity, because it's the first country ever go and find a lot of products made in the country, and that's the reason why you find that. Eh? Miss Jam to say I don't give her time to talk.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, so the floor is yours.
No. I didn't mean to cut you short, but I think I was saying something.
Okay.
It has a very nice aroma.
Yeah?
But as you can see, it's because it's freshly picked from the farm.
Mm-hmm.
So it has this, come show them.
Yeah?
Come. It
Okay.
has this black.
Oh, so you have to pick it
stony
out.
like, yeah. So it has to be picked out before you pick
I like how it smells.
it. Smells so nice.
That's a nice smell.
Mm.
This rice, you can even
But
eat it
picking
alone,
it,
family.
it's not even, yeah.
Those other rice you get to have no
Picking it
smell,
is just
sweetie.
picking this black thing and that's it.
Yeah.
So this is like 6 kgs.
Yeah.
And a kilo is 200 shillings.
So
How
200
much is 200 shillings in USD?
200 shillings is like $1.20 for 2 pound of rice.
Actually, it's like $1.
It's like $1 because
for a kg. You
that's
put
2
in
pound.
the West, you use kilograms.
In Jamaica.
You
Well,
use
it's a
what?
pounds.
How
How
many
much for
pounds?
1 pound of rice in Jamaica, people? Tell me. 2 pound of rice.
Yeah, we do grams and
Come
kilograms.
to what you gonna do with this now?
I need to, maybe I should blend this first so that I can use it to
Oh, you need to blend up this smoothie.
morning.
All right, family. So this is me in the morning time from the gym. After helping Miss Jam Tours to do all of these things, make a smoothie for us, Amish
You
and
should be
Jamie.
saying your things you do in the morning.
Eh?
How the mornings are normally tricky.
Yeah, this is my morning
Because-
routine, family.
So,
And as
you cut it a little.
something, a piece of Jamaica. If you miss this, you miss a piece of Jamaica, family. So, you know what I mean? Jamaica culture is big over here. You know what I mean? About a dancehall lady who called Quincy. She have a place called Osa Dancehall where she do dancehall, dancing and stuff. So if you guys don't know about Jamaican dances, you can go there to learn. You know what I mean? Osa Dancehall, the place of dancehall. Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is the smoothie. One for me, one for Miss Jam Tours, one for Amish. Hey boy.
So, how does it feel like? Are you normally stressed out at times like me? Or maybe.
Sweetie,
How would you even be stressed out and you're not staying with them the whole day? What kind of a question am I even asking? Because
well, I can be stressed out.
let me tell
I
you.
can be stressed out if I can't find a way to support my family. That's how a man stressed out.
It's just that.
Or once a man can actually find him way, and you know what I mean, you have a house over your head, clothes on your body, food
So
to
I'm
eat,
going to put a mesh, Johnny.
and a little car for drive.
I'm going to carry it.
You know what I mean? Your kids them can get the right teachings and right learning and right food to eat. I think that's it. You know what I mean? A man mind will be at ease. But family, when a man can't support his family, that's his biggest challenge, you know what I mean? And we have to do everything possible to take care of our families and our wife and stuff like that, family. So, you know what I mean? That's just what would make Jam Tours go in depression. God forbid it will never happen. It's just prosperity and more prosperity. Send this out to the universe millions of times, and he never fail me. He always pull away and make a way for the Jam Tours family here in Kenya, family. So, you know what I mean? We like and we actually support you. We want you to support us. Share the videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You come into Kenya, link up with Jam Tours. You come into Kenya, you're in Kenya. Go to the Branjam Reggae Bistro, 1148 Gitanga Road. Pull up, try some Jamaican food, change your taste bud. That's how you support Jam Tours. Jam Tours, not gonna ask if you donate, we're not gonna ask if you know what I mean? For anything. We create something for you, we offer you that you love, so you can pay for it and you can enjoy it and you can see that, you know what I mean? You're getting something for something, not nothing for nothing. The most YouTubers will come and cry and beg and pity patty and, you know what I mean? You know, so you're sorry for them to give them things. Them not giving you anything, you know. All I'm giving you is stress and what they're going through and stuff like that. But they're not giving you anything. But Jam Tour is giving you value for your subscription, value for whatever, anything I'm selling to you. I'm selling health to you. I'm selling travel to you. I'm selling food to you. I'm selling the Jamaican culture to you. So, you know what I mean? So, check out these websites. jamtoursafrica.com, coming soon. Vegan Choice Foods is there. You know what I mean? Branjam Reggae Bistro is actually here in Kenya. So, you as a Kenyan, you want to support Jam Tours, pull up to the restaurant, taste some Jamaican food. You know what I mean? Bring a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, family, this is my morning. I'm going to get it started. I'm out. One love. God bless. You know, you guys can tell me what, you know what I mean? Miss Jam Tours putting Jamesh on her back. You know what I mean? You can do it alone.
Yeah? Funny. How do I normally do during the day?
I was reasoning, I was telling to myself that the closer your baby actually connected to your body, is the more actually you'll find that they are actually bond with your family. They actually bond with you. And that's the reason why you can find that, you know, kids raised in Africa will have so much love for them parents because they actually get to bond with their parents when they're young.
I had saying the other day that sorry love if I cut you. I had them saying on the comment section. When was it, by the way, when I was carrying Jamesh on my back? I think, you see, every family has its way of doing things, eh?
Yeah.
You see? So people are like, I should put him on a playpen for him to relax. My dears, babies are so different. Jamesh is one of a kind. Eh? Babies are so different. There are those who you can put on and maybe they'll just relax and all that. But you see, sometimes baby will just be crying and you don't understand why they are crying. And sometimes somebody might be like, just put him there and make him cry.
Yeah.
You cannot do that. At times.
In Jamaica, pitney, ball and ball.
Guys, here you really hear. Okay,
they cry themselves to sleep.
City came here. Have you had babies crying all over?
Yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes maybe you can let it do it like for a few minutes. But if it's just crying uncontrollably, what will you do?
Yeah,
as a mom? You have to.
Yeah.
To do your thing. What is this thing?
What are you looking for?
Wimby.
Okay, so this is the flour that I use, family. Amaranth, terere, wimby. We mix it up with coconut milk and we give them to drink for the porridge. Alright guys, this is the end of this vlog. Miss Jam Tours, any last words? You know, I have to go.
Like, share, comment.
Tell a friend to tell a friend to come to Branjam Reggae Bistro.
Get 2 under 2 then
2 under 2.
Get 2 under
Raising 2 under 2 in Africa. Alright, family.
Apparently, you see in the morning. Once the morning passes, like all this,
yeah,
that's it.
That's it. But the morning is a challenge.
Mornings are
and you have to take it on.
And
Imagine if we did have 9 to 5. Bumbo.
And then also somebody might be like, oh, employ somebody else. I got myself a nanny. I've not yet like brought her on the camera because she just came the other day, so just want to see how it goes with the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just want to see how it goes with the kids. Get used to Hamesh and all that.
Yeah, family, so welcome back to this vlog in the morning. As I said, guys, I just came back from the gym and I have to be, helping Miss Jam Tours out in the kitchen, just from some small things. Normally my days start at 11, 12, 1 there about. That's when I actually get a chance to get out of the house. And yeah, so Miss Jam Tours is here and she want to greet you guys.
Hi. Good morning. I don't like being caught off guard at times.
Really?
It's like
Caught off guard doing what?
caught off guard preparing a smoothie.
What's this mango look like it's spoiled?
It's not spoiled at the upper top.
That it's cut
I
off.
mean at the down part.
And they eat worm, Worm!
No. You just check.
Worm in the smoothie.
No, it doesn't have nothing. It's just that it's maybe fully ripe. Like this part is very clean.
Eh?
Yeah.
So far, Miss Jam Tours were actually complaining about raising 2 under 2.
I'm not complaining. Please don't put it that way.
Okay.
Nobody has complained.
So what are you saying?
No, when you put it that way, it looks bad on me. I didn't say I'm complaining.
What are you saying that?
Saying it's hectic to raise 2 under 2, it doesn't mean I'm complaining.
Yeah.
You understand?
But you're a first time mom, so.
Complaining something. I'm not a first time mom. I'm a second time mom.
No, but 2
When
under
you're
2.
complaining, when somebody is complaining, it means they want change. But there's nothing I can do about the kids. Okay? I just have to deal with it, and that's what I'm doing. It's really, really a challenge because the two kids have to like keep waking up at night.
Yeah.
You understand? Because at least we taught Hamish how to be independent. He's sleeping by himself. Okay? He's sleeping by himself. And at night sometimes he'll remember he's alone, so he has to get up. You see? Which is quite what? It's challenging because I also have I don't know whether I should call him
So they forgot to put the dates inside.
I don't know whether I should call him a newborn or what.
Yeah.
But I'm also breastfeeding and all that, so so it's very, very challenging, but it's alright. I think it's just a phase that will pass very soon.
Yeah.
And as you can see, I'm managing. Yeah.
Yeah, family. So in the morning we have to make our smoothies.
But so
what happened?
that is a mommy's brain. Did you see what I did?
They put the seed
I put
inside.
the seed
Yeah, we just play like that video. What are you gonna do now?
No, I just wanted to say something. That's a.
You can't find it? Miss John,
it's
see there.
here.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Pick it out.
I'm just saying.
So that's the seed family.
It's a mommy's brain.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
If you've not had a child yet, you won't understand, I'm telling you. So sometimes you find yourself doing things the opposite. Sometimes,
Yeah.
Because what is occupying your mind right now is just the babies. So now what is going through the head is like, oh, I'm not yet breastfed. I'm just here standing. Hamesh woke up. He has not had breakfast.
Yeah.
It's like that. But our routine for Hamesh is that he takes breakfast, which is fruit.
Yeah.
Our fruit smoothie in the morning. And then, after like how many 1.5, 2 hours there about before he sleeps, or 1 hour before he sleeps.
Yeah, you
That's
like
what-
dates. And I see dates, you run come. Eh? You run come for dates, see boy? Yeah, family, so dates.
So, and then now we have to, blend the coconut to prepare porridge.
Yeah.
I also need some sweet potatoes because I think they're good for milk production and they're also healthy.
Yeah.
For breakfast with my black tea,
Yeah.
Milo chocolate or the tea leaf.
Mm-hmm.
And then what else? Yeah, generally making sure everything is organized before the day starts, before the kids start. Because
Yeah.
at least in the morning they are normally a little bit calm. As you can see, Jamesh is a little bit calm right now.
Mm-hmm.
So that, we can keep the day going. But
Yeah.
it's not easy, I'm telling you, it's not easy. But I'm sure I'll be the happiest in a few years, seeing them running around. And at least they'll be helping me doing something. As you can see, Hamesh has already started helping me out.
Amesh,
Hamesh
helping mommy?
Hamesh helped me to throw away pampers.
Yeah.
When I've left my
Oh!
when I've left my shawl somewhere.
You take it fire?
Yeah, I tell him pick it up for me. I think they feel like
Yeah. You hear it?
yeah.
Yeah, family, so this is me here. I'm from the gym. I'm gonna take a shower and try to get to the restaurant, family. Grand Jam Reggae Bistro is the new spot for Jamaican food, reggae music, good vibes. All the Jamaicans are there. We play dominoes and we enjoy ourselves over food and drinks. So come out to Grand Jam Reggae Bistro if you want to taste some real Jamaican food cooked by a Jamaican family. So, Grand Jam Reggae Bistro, the Mistro, the Maestro. Come out. And the grand opening is on the 13th, family. Don't make it miss you. If you miss this, you miss something. Mm-hmm.
But yes, even if you have a nanny, there are things you just have to do it by yourself. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because these people, it's not like maybe they understand your way of cooking, so you need to take some time to teach them and stuff like that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this is how we do it, eh? Mix terere. Now why do we mix it?
Mix it because it's light.
No.
It don't hold.
This is light and Wimby is also light.
Heavy. Wimby is heavy, sweetie, thick.
Sure.
You put a little Wimby in the pot and it's thick, very thick.
Oh yeah, to thicken it, eh?
Yeah, the thickness, we mix it with Wimby.
This is mine.
Yeah. Alright, family, let me enjoy my smoothie and let me take a shower and go and enjoy my day. Miss Jam Tours, bye bye. See you later, alligator.
Bye. Bye, boo-boo.
Alright, family, one love, God bless, Jamaica, I'm out. Hey, family, so the porridge almost done. And Miss Jam Tours was saying very important. Something very important. This is the porridge.
Sawa, they can go hold it, eh?
What you were saying, I know, Miss Jam Tours?
Eh?
Are you
No, I was
saying?
reading something. They were saying about these cooking pots. For some reason, and I'm also in that mix,
Yeah.
we want our houses to look, you have non-stick pots.
Yeah.
But they were saying they have very high chemicals.
Mm.
Yeah? Especially, it's been heated. So it's going in the food.
Yeah.
So they were saying these are the pots. You see those old ones we use at home?
Yeah, those are the good.
Mabati one.
The
it's
clay
called
pot.
Stainless steel, either stainless steel or the clay pots. And that's what we've been brought up with.
Yeah.
But now we end up buying expensive pots for like this set.
Mm-hmm.
This white one here.
Mm-hmm.
It was like for 17,000.
Mm-hmm.
5 pots. And those stainless steel are cheap.
Cheap.
And nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So I was saying to myself, I don't know why I should just pack them and throw them away and buy stainless steel.
Of course, I should do that.
Yeah, because they were saying, especially the way now it's cooking, it has high chemicals. Although this pot is a little bit better, not like, see this one that was spoiled by
Mm-hmm. As I
the
can
previous
see.
maids that were here. You see, it's peeling.
Mm-hmm.
It's peeling, yeah? And even the one that is not peeling like this one, which is, this one I've had it for I think it was one of the first pots I had.
Yeah.
These were the second, these are the third.
Mm-hmm.
But they have very high
Yeah.
they were calling it what? Teflon.
Teflon, yeah.
So
Yeah,
these are the
family.
pots.
Mm-hmm.
This is what we should. Oh my
So
god.
sweet potato, mash out, they make it boil too much. Yeah, family, there's a thing that says once you know the right thing, do the right thing.
Yeah, that's not what I want.
If you know the right thing, do the right thing. That's just
What
the
was this?
order of life and the way
I'll
things
just
supposed
go
to be.
Kamukunji.
Mm-hmm.
You know where is Kamukunji, don't you?
Yeah.
Kamukunji is where we buy any household things, carpets, pots, cups, anything.
Mm. But even in industrial area, they make these pots. The local make them.
It's the same. So the ones in Kamukunji,
They buy it
go
from
get
there.
them from industrial. But if you can get yourself there to industrial area and buy, the better, because guess what? You'll buy any type of pot you want. You know, there's even ugali pot, like the one they use. Although I don't think as Kikuyus we use it, but I see them like with other tribes. It looks like a basin. That's what they used to cook.
All right, family. All right. This was some very informative message from Miss Jam Tours. I hope you guys learn and grow. So, you know what I mean? Let's go, family. I'm out. I'm actually get dressed. I'm ready to go. This feels like I'm going back to 9 to 5, but
Fridge is cooked.
you know what I mean? But as you know, we just do things and set up a system for it to run by itself. We take ourselves and enjoy the time. All right, family, let's go. One love. God bless Jamaica. I'm out.